Howdy folks, working on the Blazer right quick. Want to do a little short video for you. I got slop in the, I had some steering slop. Wasn't sure if it was the gearbox, steering shaft, or the pitman arm. I was too lazy to replace when I replaced everything else, and it ended up being the gearbox. Now I don't feel like changing it, so here's a little trick for you. To be honest, I forgot about it. I was tearing it apart so I can replace it, and I saw that. I'm like, duh, just try that, and it worked. So I'm gonna slap her back together. I don't think you have to remove everything I removed, but I did, just to get more room to work, which it's not hard. All I did was I took the air cleaner out to the little elbow there, so, and then fan shroud and fan. I think that's all I took out. Yeah. Alright, so look down here into the dark abyss. Right there. Right there, where my fingers are pointing. Focus. Is, here we go, the gearbox. Now, right where here, where my finger's at, is an adjuster screw for the slop in your gearbox. So, 5/8 box stand wrench. I used a ratcheting wrench and a 3/16 Allen. It's just similar to adjusting valves, okay? Put the Allen in the center bolt there. Hold steady. Crack the lock nut loose a couple turns, or as many turns as you want, really. And then take the Allen. At that point, I swapped to a ratchet with a 3/16 Allen. Tighten that all the way in snug. Back out 90 degrees. Tighten your lock nut while holding the Allen key in the thing so it doesn't turn. Tighten that lock nut down. Start the vehicle. You can start it without the fan on it in the shroud. Put your air cleaner back on. I just, laid it on there. It's because it has a mass airflow sensor and you don't want to get crap in the engine anyway. But fire it up real quick. Go lock to lock on your steering. If there's binding, repeat the same steps. Bust the lock nut loose. Back that center adjuster out a little bit more. Lock it up. Try it again. If there's still binding, keep doing that. If there's no binding, I didn't get any binding, so I tightened her in, backed out 90 degrees, locked it down, lock to lock while it's running. No binding. We're good. Slop's out of it. Good as new. So there you go. Save you at least $180, depending on like AC Delco gearboxes are like $450. Screw that, but whatever. Save you some money. So your steering is slop free now for free. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more. Be sure to hit that the subscribe button and the bell to be notified when new videos come out. And follow me on social media, K30 Crazy on LinkedIn and Facebook. So as I end every video, thanks for watching. Stay crazy. Have a good one, people.